Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by proving ownership. This matters because Apple protects user data. First, locate the iPad serial and IMEI and write them down, then sign into the Apple ID website or settings if possible. Once done, make sure you have the original purchase receipt or a matching Apple ID email and password ready. If two-factor is enabled, get the trusted device or phone ready now. These steps let you request removal through official channels and avoid delays later in the process. You now file an official request with Apple support. This is the legal route and it avoids voiding warranties. Go to Support. Apple, or call support, select Activation Lock, and provide the serial and proof of purchase as instructed. Once you submit, include any requested photos of the receipt and a government ID if Apple asks. This speeds verification. After submission, expect a 24 to 72-hour review window. Be patient and monitor your email for a confirmation or further instructions. When Apple approves removal, they'll send instructions. Follow them exactly and then restore or set up the iPad as new. If your request is denied, make sure you contact the original seller for assistance or provide clearer, higher-resolution proof of purchase and matching serial. Once done, save every support case ID, email, and receipt copy to avoid repeating steps. One troubleshooting tip: if verification stalls, politely escalate via Apple support chat or request a case manager to recheck submitted documents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.